So here we are going to look at angle of banking, what we call a cant stroke super elevation. So now what we do, we know when a body is negotiating a corner, a body negotiating a corner is under the influence of two forces. One is its own weight and another one is centrifugal force. So in most cases, when we are constructing roads, we said we keep, if this is a corner, we keep the inner part level, okay? We keep it level and raise slightly a bit the outer edge of the rod. And the angle with which we raise that is what we are calling the angle of banking, or what we call super elevation. Now, if we have such, we said we have a body under the influence of two forces. One, it shall be what we called mg, or the weight of this body, and another one shall be the mv squared out of r. mv squared is the centrifugal force, and the mg is the resultant of this. Mg is the weight of the body, okay? And the resultant between the two forces, R, is the resultant between mg and mv squared out of r. So this angle, we will see that this angle here will finally will be actually theta. So geometry of this diagram tells us that that angle is theta. And for stability, this angle must be 90 degrees. Remember, the circular path is this, and the center could be somewhere there. Now, if I resolve forces vertically, for example, if I want to get if I resolve forces vertically, then R cos theta will equal to mg, that is 1. Then R sin theta will equal to mv squared. R sin theta will equal to mv squared out of r. So if I divide equation 2 by equation 1, then mv squared out of r, okay, divided by mg will equal to r sin theta divided by r cos theta. So this and that will go away, this and that will go. So I'll have that tan of theta will equal to v squared out of rg. Meaning, if I am to maintain that r, okay, the speed or the maximum speed with which I must be traveling at will always be v equal to the square root of rg tan theta. Obviously, I can get theta as arctan of v squared out of rg as the angle of banking, or the super elevation. So the super elevation, in simple terms, is the angle by which the outer edge of a rod around the corner is raised with respect to the inner edge of the circular path, or inner edge of the circle. So that theta is what we are calling the super elevation, or the angle of banking.